deserve to pull up to that big house in my name.
Okay, so today I'm going to be depotting for the first time. My hands are so ashy. I should probably put some lotion on. But I'm going to be depotting these foundation sticks. I have some black Opal foundation sticks, and I have the Makeupforver Ultra HD sticks. I only got 2 of these, and I haven't even used them. But black Opal definitely gives you way more foundation. I barely use this one, and I've never used this one, so you guys can kind of see how much you get. I really like black Opal because it's affordable. It's probably about maybe $10 depending on where you're buying it, and this was, I think, at least over $15. So that's not what you guys came on this video for, but I bought these booth sets offline. They're smaller than what I expected, but I think that my foundation might fit in these. It just seemed like it's not that much space. Like, I thought it was going to be more depth in it and not so small, but I got these. I actually got 2 booth sets. I'm assuming this one is the one I'm probably going to put the foundations in. I got to count these actually, but this one comes with some little small compartments. I guess you could put like some concealers or something in there, like concealer sticks or maybe. But I think I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use that one for, but I got this size too. It's a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna put my lipsticks in here. So basically what I have in this bottle, I know it says spritz, but I put alcohol and water in here so I can spray all of the foundation sticks and spray the container. And I also cleaned this off with alcohol. It's like a little spatula to help you like cut the foundation. But yeah, I'm going to be using this one today. So 3, 6, 9, 12. It's 12 little spots, and I have 3, 6, 9, 10 foundations. So I'm gonna have a little more room in here to put more shades, but that's okay. So I'm actually recording off my iPhone. I felt like it was on purpose of using my camera to do this because I'm working in a small spot, and yeah, it's gonna work perfectly. So I'm gonna try to put these foundations in. Let me try to fix the camera. I'm gonna try to put these foundations in order from like lightest to like darkest. So right now, these are kind of like pink tone foundations. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Let me bring the brightness down. Perfect. So now you guys can kind of get a real sense of like how the foundation sticks look. So I'm gonna start off with this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the foundation stick and I'm gonna spray it with the alcohol and water that I have in here. I'm gonna go right ahead and actually spray all of these with alcohol. Even though I already cleaned this, I'm going to spray it again and just give it a couple of sprays of alcohol just so everything is like sanitary. You don't want to put anything in here that's like, you know, dirty. But when I'm doing my makeup or clients' makeup, I automatically sanitize my stuff anyway, but never could do it too many times. I think I'm going to have like all the light shades up here, and then I'm going to get dark like that. So let me turn the camera so you can get a sense. I'm going to use this side of the spatula, and I'm going to kind of like cut downward, and I'm going to put it, move this out the way. I'm going to just basically cut it in here. Or I don't know if people really like just cut it right down, or do they just see? Woo! All right. And all of it's not fitting in there like I thought. So I got this little piece in here. See, I thought this was going to be way deeper so I can fit more in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like kind of like chop this up, I guess. And as I need it, I guess I'll put more. But I really wish that all of this fit in here the first time, you know? So this is how much I got left. I'm probably just going to leave this like this, but I want to mark it. So I'm going to put the top back on here. But I kind of want to take off this sticker, but I feel like it's not going to come off. Normally people take off the sticker so they can know what shade it is. So what I think I'm going to do is I might need to get like a label maker. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to write with a Sharpie on here like what shade it is. So this is Cool Nude, and I'm just gonna write one here. So let me go get a Sharpie. So what I went ahead and did was write Black Opal. I'm gonna understand what I'm writing. So I wrote Black Opal, and then I put Cool Nude. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna have to like mark these with a Sharpie until I get some labels made, which is fine. This is my first time doing it, so I really didn't know what the process was gonna be like. So now that I'm done with that shade, what I'm just gonna do is just wipe this off with a paper towel. Then I'm gonna keep on the side, and I'm just gonna do the next one, and then the next one until all of this is filled. Downsizing is a must, guys. Downsizing. Now I can fit, how many is this? 3, 6, 9, 12 foundations in one little spot. And I have about 24, I think I said, lipsticks here. So look how convenient this is. And it could just fit in my bag. And I can just put so much more stuff. I'm doing my lipsticks. And I do have a few other tubes that I need to do, but for the most part, this is the palette that I created. I took off all the stickers and I made sure that I put it on the correct spot. Basically, I want to do this so you can remember what shade is which. Like, yeah, you know, you might want to use this shade, but what if a client wants to go out and buy that lipstick shade that you use and you're not even going to remember? So make sure you take off the little stickers and put it on here. Like I said, I put this sticker in between two because I have that lipstick in 2 different spots. But for the most part, this is how we're coming, guys. We just finished 2 kits. But yeah, that's basically it. As you guys can see, my table is a wreck with all of these empties, but that's basically it, guys. I hope that this video was helpful. This is my first time depotting foundation sticks and lipsticks and all that stuff, so I hope I was some type of help. But see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.